There's a secret Canva hack tutorial that you have to follow so you can get more clicks and views on your YouTube videos when you share them with your audience through email campaigns. In Canva, select Create Design and choose YouTube Thumbnail. Of course, this part needs to be customized to your brand, but I'm going to select Elements and I'm looking for red smoke because that's kind of like a character that I usually add on my posts if it's like Instagram or YouTube as well. So once I select my preferable element, and in this case, you can choose whatever you like. You can choose the picture or, whatever you're adding to your YouTube thumbnail, like if it's an element and so on. You're going to upload your GIF. Now, in case you don't know how to add a GIF or to make a GIF of yourself, please comment below so we can make sure we make a video about it and we tag you in the next video. So we're selecting some type of GIF that is pointing at something, so basically people know that they have to click on it because I'm literally pointing on it. And as you saw, I already added and created my thumbnail, so you didn't have to watch the entire video for that. Once you're done with your virtual thumbnail, you're going to click share and then you're going to click download. Now, the key here is you're downloading it as a GIF. And then you want to make sure that once it's downloaded, you have already your email created and, yada, yada, whatever you said in your email, and add your GIF as a video. Once you do that, you have to hyperlink the video that you're trying to show, like the new video that people have to watch, and hyperlink it on your GIF. Now, people, not only they're going to see an image, but they're literally being almost like, I need to see what Marcella is pointing at. Like, what is this video about? So this will really increase your views when you share your videos on your email campaigns. Please subscribe and learn more social media and sales tips and tutorials.